How to turn off Crunchyroll notifications on iPhone. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can turn off notifications for Crunchyroll on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you use the Crunchyroll application and then you watch movies and stuff inside of it, and then you would like to turn off or disable notifications from Crunchyroll, all you have to do is go ahead and launch the settings application here. And once you launch the settings application, what you want to do is simply go to the option called notifications from here. Once you go to notifications, you can try looking for Crunchyroll here and then turn off the toggle next to Crunchyroll. Now, just in case you don't find Crunchyroll like me, then you can also go to this option called series suggestions and then just search for Crunchyroll inside here and then just turn off the toggle next to Crunchyroll, and then you'll no longer receive notifications from Crunchyroll. This way you can turn off Crunchyroll notifications. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.